What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, ask me questions, give me suggestions, and communicate with other people. So let's get started with the video. So before I get into the video, I'm actually doing a giveaway with Ape Traders. As you can see, they have an average price of 0.145 Ethereum per NFT as of the giveaway started, and you can see right here that we're also giving away $200 in total besides. So here you can see first winner takes one Ape Trader NFT, second and third takes both $100. So the giveaway link is in description, so you can go find that out and join it. So you have a pretty high chance of winning, and we just finished with Funky Santas, so we're gonna keep doing more giveaways in the future. So don't be worried if you didn't win this one or join it. So let's get started with the video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about cubed creatures, and this is a very new project. As you can see, it's an NFT collection. So it's not a game, it's just an NFT collection with only 250 NFTs that are limited. So really low supply, probably really high demand equals, higher value and etc. And here you can see they have some cool graphics and design, cube creatures, their NFT collection. And they're gonna have auctions. So as you can see, their first auction would be in about 7-ish days of the time I'm recording, but this will probably be like six-ish days for you guys. Here you'll see that here it says the future of horror films starts on the blockchain, and you can see the different cubed creatures in this little capsule that are more horror and like scary, you could say. And you can see right here, Cube Creatures is an NFT collection of 250 uniquely terrifying creatures inspired by urban legends and folklore that now live on the Ethereum blockchain. Each creature's story is written with the intent for them to be featured as a Hollywood horror villain, featuring a darker, more edgy retelling of traditional urban legends, creating a first of its kind universe filled with terrifying horror villains. The creatures are separated into 7 classes. You got the experiments, paranormal, undead, mythicals, alien, titans, psychopaths, and you can see here whose origin stories are inspired by modern day serial killers. So it's kind of terrifying. If you look at some of their NFTs, they kind of are terrifying, and that's the whole part of it. So there's different types of NFTs, like they said. You got experimental heroes, or not heroes, villains, you could say. You got paranormal, more leaning to the ghost side, and etc. Here you can see our Hollywood vision. The Cube Creatures team will be actively pitching production houses such as Netflix, HBO Max, Hulu, Amazon Prime, Paramount, Disney, YouTube TV, and more. So these are the big streaming platforms where you can stream movies and TV shows and etc. The unique stories behind our creatures until we find the right studio to bring our collectors' creatures to life. So it's not a game, but some of their creatures will actually be a movie. So basically they're creating their own villain or horror movie from an NFT collection. So that's pretty cool. The Cube Creatures headquarters is located just a few minutes away from Hollywood and from most major studios, and we'll use this to our advantage as we diligently reach out to local studio executives, distributors, producers, and directors as the project progresses. The world needs a new Michael Myers, Jason, and Freddy Krueger, and we believe they will be the form of their collection. So what they're saying here is they're minutes away from Hollywood, which is where the most successful movies, you could say, come from, with the highest budgets and etc., the coolest studios. And yeah, you can see that they want to make their own Hollywood horror movies, which I think is pretty cool. I've never seen anything like this where you're gonna have an NFT, you're gonna have a movie based on an NFT. So that's pretty unique. No, it's not a game, but it is pretty cool. You can, if you own one of these guys, these NFTs, and they're part of a movie, that could be worth a lot, depending on maybe if the movie goes viral. or they advertise it or anything, you know, your NFT could be worth a lot here. Collectors who hold cube creatures will be airdropped 2 collectibles, one of one NFTs. So these are one of one. They're not like, you know, multiple different types of it. It's just one of one. And here you can see the NFTs will come in the form of a 3D collectible comic book detailing more information about your creature and original cinematic theme song. Because what memorable villain doesn't have their own theme song? That's even cooler. They have their own theme songs. You have the NFT comic books, so the haunted comics, the creature stories will all be connected through the creature verse, which includes some of your urban legends such as these people. You have like Bloody Mary, I'm pretty sure most of you know that, or Bigfoot, and whose stories will be told in 250 12-page individual comic books. So they're going to be all 12-page, and there's going to be 250 different freaking NFT books, so that's crazy. And then you have the theme songs. So the collector holding a cubed creature 30 days from its original mint date will also be airdropped a collectible one-of-one theme song NFT featuring an original composition to match your creature's personality, attitude, and environment. So like they're saying here, if you have one of their NFTs, they will airdrop you a theme song right here. And you can also possibly get yourself an NFT comic book if you would be interested in that too. And then they talk more about the world, the earth is no longer, you know, this is like the more story type for their NFTs and comic books and the people. Then here you have some snapshots or like, you know, 3D models of what their NFT would look like. Here you can see some of them actually look pretty terrifying. Like they look pretty cool too. Like I think they're really cool and detailed. It kind of looks realistic for some of them. And I think there's some they know where they're going, to be honest. Like if you look at this, here you can see this is their roadmap going from Q4 2021, where Typhon Knox announces he will be auctioning off 250 of his most cherished creatures on the Ethereum blockchain in batches of 10. So you know, 10 will come out every, like each batch there'll be 10 NFTs in each batch, and they will just give it for, you know, auctioning and etc. Until they sell out. Then you have Q1, quarter 1, 40 creatures now live on the blockchain. First batch of comic book NFTs and theme song NFTs begin airdropping to collectors. First ultra rare cube creature introduced. So there's different rarity, and then they keep going. They're gonna have like plushies with like a signature, and then here if we read right here, 70 creatures now live on the blockchain. One ultra rare cube creature will be given to a lucky collector. Cube creatures merchandise store will now be open, featuring the signature mutated wrestler plush toy. The team will begin actively pursuing a major production house to return cube creatures to a film. Now that's even crazier. So like it just keeps getting crazier over the quarters. So if you read right here, 100 creatures now live on the blockchain. Second ultra rare cube creature will be given to lucky cube creature holder. Another collector will receive a physical diorama of their creature to display at home. So they're also giving out like actual real life things to you if you're a holder. And I think it's crazy. You can see pre-sale sold out. All our pre-sale creatures have now been minted. If you're interested in minting a cube creature, your next opportunity to mint will be at our first public auction scheduled for late December. To receive a notification, just put your email if you're interested in getting their NFT. And just from looking at this is probably one of the most unique projects I've seen so far. Like it's crazy having like a theme songs towards your NFT, comic books about your NFT, and then having your NFT yourself, and then having a whole movie for your NFTs. So it's crazy. It just goes on and on and on. And they link their Twitter down below, and their Instagram. You can check out their Twitter. They're pretty new, so they just started off, and you can see that they post pretty frequently. So yeah, tell me what do you think about this project, and give me your personal opinions of this, because I think it's really unique. It's got some potential behind it, and you should definitely check it out. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game recommend, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.